can go here and check is 32 vertices. You want to make this big, we are in object mode. You type SX, it scales like this. This is not what you want. SY, it scales like this. This is not what you want. SZ, you want it this way. Fine. So this is going to be the bark of our tree. I'm going to go to material properties and click on new. Okay, and I'm going to click on this. I'm going to say bark. Alright, and here I'm going to choose this base color, make it orange, and here it is. You want to change the color, you can change it to any other color. So I have the bark of my tree. Now let me place the cone. So I'm going to go and do a shift A, go to mesh and say cone. It's 32 vertices. The cone is here. Press on G. The cone did not get selected. Okay, so let me check whether the cone is there. G, yes, the cone is here. So let me just move this by typing a G. Let me put this back here. Okay, this cone G, okay, it's here. Now let me try and make this cone a little bit big. So S, if I do this, this is how it, okay, yeah, so this is not how I want it. So I will type SY, it will go like this, SZ. Okay, I'll just type in SX. Okay, so how do I want it, right? Okay, so SZ gives me this, SX gives me this, SY gives it to me this way. Alright, so I've got it. Alright, but if you see here, it's not like aligned properly, only the cylinder is there in the center, correct? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this. Alright, I'm going to do a G and I'm going to move it slightly this way. Now it looks fine. Now I'll just try to move the cone along the Z axis. Okay, give it a nice drop. Yeah, okay. Now if you see, this portion is not hollow. So to make it hollow, what I'm going to do is a little bit hollow, so the bark is gone in, right? I'm going to go into edit mode, click on tab and go on this face. So I click on this face and I'm going to do an inset. Okay, I just need this much inset, so that much part is going to be hollow, and I'm going to do extrude and I'm going to stick it, yeah, okay. So the extrude is not come, it's jutting, yeah, it's still jutting. So you have to do it in such a way that it looks fine. Okay, okay.